So you just bought an awesome new pair of jeans, but what's the best way to break them in? How you treat a new pair of jeans makes all the difference between a pair that looks great for years and a pair that is worn out after a matter of months. Thomas with Real Men Real Style here, and in today's video, I'm going to show you how to properly break in your new jeans. Before we start, there are two main types of jeans you're going to see out there, raw and pre-washed. The pre-washed denim will be softer and already broken in. There's not really anything special you need to do with these jeans, so we're going to be focused in on the raw denim. Your raw denim jeans haven't been washed, so they're going to start out stiffer with a rich, uniform color with no distressing. These are one of the dressiest jean styles, so if you want to preserve that look, you need to treat them right. Tip number 1. Prevent dye transfer. Dark raw denim will have excess dye that can easily transfer to light colored fabrics. So light colored t-shirts, furniture, and shoes are all at risk of getting stained by your jeans rubbing against them. So how do you prevent this? Fill up your kitchen sink or a plastic tub with cold water, then add 1 cup of distilled white vinegar and 2 tablespoons of salt. Both the vinegar and the salt will work to set the dye and prevent it from bleeding out. Turn your jeans inside out, then fully submerge them in the water. Leave them soaking in the water-vinegar mix for at least 1 hour, then rinse them. Now take your jeans to the washing machine and add 1 more cup of vinegar. Make sure the washing machine is set to cold water. Hot water will cause color fading. Once the jeans are done washing, take them out and hang them up to dry. While you can put them in the dryer on a low heat setting, air drying will better preserve the dye. Now your jeans are going to be ready for wear, and you no longer need to worry about turning everything blue. Tip number 2. Don't overwash. So to keep those jeans looking great, how often should you wash them? The answer is only when they're dirty. The washing machine is tough on your jeans, so washing after every single wear is going to cause the color to fade quicker and the material to break down faster. Now some people will go to the other extreme and say you should only wash your raw denim once every 6 months to a year. I think it's best to find a happy medium. Unless you're heavily sweating or falling into a mud puddle, your jeans will usually stay fresh for 5 to 7 wears, so you won't need to wash them more often than that. Pro tip: extend the time you can go between washes by spot cleaning dirt and stains with a damp cloth. Tip number 3. Time to stretch. Some jeans contain a small percentage of stretch material, so they will be comfortable and easy to move in right from the start. But a 100% cotton denim is going to start out pretty stiff and uncomfortable in the beginning. Wear a new pair of jeans often to get the fibers to relax and stretch. Over a period of several wears, the denim will start to soften up. That's another reason not to wash them too often. The washing and drying process causes the fibers to tighten up, so you will have to stretch them out again. To quickly get your jeans to stretch out and conform to your body, try exercising. I'm not saying to wear them to the gym, but try doing a few squats and lunges to get the fabric to loosen up. Knocking out a few reps will quickly get those jeans feeling nice and comfortable.
Alright gents, whether you're using an electric, safety, or cartridge razor, consider using an aftershave balm. Applying this after you shave helps to cool the skin and prevent redness. Now gents, the grooming products you see in today's video brought to you by Vitaman. And instead of me telling you how awesome they are, how about I put a link down in the description of today's video so you can try them for free. Seriously gents, use that link in the description to grab a sample kit over at Vitaman for free.
Tip number 4. Store them properly. Since you want to wear your jeans multiple times without washing them, give them a chance to air out after every wear to prevent any odors from building up. So hang them up on a door or your shower curtain for a few hours before putting them in a closet or drawer. Also, don't store them next to light colored items. We use the vinegar to help prevent the color bleed, but having them rub against your khaki chinos is just asking for trouble. Tip number 5. Hem or cuff. If you're in between sizes, you're likely going to be left with jeans that are a little too long. It may not seem like a big deal, but wearing them like this is a big mistake, because if the back of the jeans are long enough to be dragging on the floor, over time the fabric is going to wear out and fray. So the hem of that beautiful new pair of jeans is going to be looking ragged in a matter of weeks or months. The solution is to get the jeans hemmed or to cuff them. Now a tailor can do this for you for a few dollars, or you can do it yourself, either with hand sewing or a sewing machine. If you like the more rugged look, try cuffing your jeans instead. There are many different cuffing styles you can try. Check out this video gents, where I'm going to show you 5 unique ways you can roll your jeans.